Do you know that you can earn money from watching YouTube? It's not just a possibility. Actually, you can do it from anywhere in the world. And the best part, it won't cost you a thing. Today, I'm super excited to share not one, but two awesome ways to achieve this. And here's the best part. Both methods are completely free and incredibly simple. So essentially, today's tutorial is like a 2-in-1 session. You can choose one method or even try both to potentially increase your earnings. And just so you're aware, there have been some skeptics in the comments regarding some of the methods we've shared. So here's the deal. I will prove the methods shown in our top 2 or 3 videos when we reach 100K subscribers. Another thing, allow me a moment to talk about the sneaky social media spammers who are reposting my content or attempt to impersonate us. They are not successful anyway, but I care about our followers who may fall for them. So, rest assured, I'll be taking action soon. While they might manage to get my content for a while before I report or even sue them, they can never get my knowledge. And at the moment I am talking to you now, we are not currently active on any social media platforms. However, we will start doing that soon. So if you wish to follow us, please refer to the description or visit our website. These are the only legitimate ways to access our private groups and our real social media profiles, and the legit ways to connect with us. I will create a list of these impersonators and share it in the community tab or something, so you can be fully informed. Now, let's return to the exciting subject and let's dive into the world of make money online. All right, the first step to watching YouTube videos is to go to YouTube. Pretty obvious, right? However, I won't recommend watching just any kind of videos and finding yourself lost in a rabbit hole of entertaining cat videos. Instead, opt for educational topics or anything that can spark discussions like facts, mysteries, news, psychology, and more. It will all make more sense as we progress. Choose a topic you're genuinely interested in, as this will make the process enjoyable. After all, you want to get paid for something you love, don't you? Once you find a video you like, click the share button, and from the pop-up window, click copy to copy the video link. Now head over to this online video transcript tool. And here's the name of the website where you can find this tool. You can search for it. It is not straightforward to find this tool once you are on the homepage of this website because if I click on the title, it'll take you to this page, which is the main page. But don't worry, I'll provide a link in the description to save you the trouble of looking for it. On the online video transcript tool page, paste the copied link and click Transcript. In just a few seconds, you'll have the transcript. Click the Copy Transcript button, and then you can use something like Google Docs, as it is easy to work with. Create a new document and paste the transcript. Try organizing and modifying the sections to make it look like an article. What you're going to do now is select the text and go to this website to access this tool. You can look for it if you want. Also, I will leave a link to this tool in the description. This tool will help you create a new version of the original article. So, paste the text you copied earlier right here, then click Rewrite, and see how it gets rewritten in a couple of seconds. To copy the rewritten text, click this button. Before we move on, let me share another website that can do the same. It is phrase.io, and to use it, paste the text here. What I particularly like about this tool is that you can set the tone of the article if you want. Click Generate, and once it's done, click here to copy the rewritten text. You can choose either tool, both work perfectly. I'm just giving you more options to choose from. So after you've rewritten the entire article and arranged everything, keep it stored on Google Docs because now I'm going to show you how you can start making passive income of up to thousands of dollars per month by simply posting this article once. Now, head over to Vocal Media. This website will pay you whenever someone reads your article. To be more precise, let me show you exactly how much this website will pay you. I'll click right here and scroll down to show you. As you can see, it pays you $3.80 per 1,000 reads. That means the article we just created could earn up to $38 for every 10,000 readers. Depending on how quickly you accumulate that number of readers, you have a choice. Go for quality or quantity. For instance, if you dedicate around 15 minutes per day and publish just one article daily, you have the potential to earn $38 multiplied by 30, which equals $1,140 per month. And you've just saw how easy and fast it is to create these articles. So if you manage to publish 3 articles, we're talking about a potential $3,420 per month. Now, here's a nifty trick to double up your earnings. Consider joining Vocal Plus for around $10 per month. By doing so, instead of being paid $3.80, you'll earn $6 per 1,000 reads. That transforms the potential monthly earnings from $3,420 to an impressive $5,400. One of my team members is using this method, and I'll keep you updated. So remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for instant updates. Also, be among the first to apply the tutorials and methods we share. Some folks wonder why certain methods don't work for them. Well, sometimes it's because they might be a bit late to the game, or the method needs some updates, or it's become more competitive. Additionally, many people tend to give up too soon. So, even if you spot a video with high view counts, keep in mind that not everyone takes action. And many individuals give up early, as I mentioned earlier. So you can't judge until you've given it a shot yourself. Anyway, let's get back on track and wrap up this tutorial. To post the article on this website, you need to create an account. Simply click on Join and provide basic information like your email and password. Then click Sign Up. An activation link will be sent to your email. After activating your account, in the top right corner, click the Create Story button. This window will pop up. Make sure to read the submission guidelines and then check this box. Click Start Creating right here. It's self-explanatory. This is where you write the title and subtitle. You can add images to make your article more appealing and professional. Click right here, and you can search for images related to the topic and add them by clicking on them. And if you can't find an image suitable for your topic, go to a royalty-free image website, like pexels.com. This website provides royalty-free images that you can use in your article without any problems. As you can see in this search box, it says, Search for free photos. Type in what you are looking for and hit Search. Once you find an image that you like, click the down arrow here to download it to your device. Now, head back to Vocal Media and click on Upload Image. Then, select the file to navigate to the image and upload it. Vocal Media already has the Unsplash website library built in, which is similar to Pexels. So you are likely to find an image that suits what you are looking for here. So in this space, you can paste your article. After you finish, click the Save Changes button. This allows you to submit the article. But don't worry, if you want to make any changes, you can always do that. Just click on anything that you want to edit and start typing. Then click Save Changes, and you can submit the article when you're ready. I'll give you another website that pays you up to $100 per article or more to provide you with more options. The website is TextBroker, and it's easy to use and navigate. If you hover over I Write Content, a drop-down menu will appear, showing you exactly how it works. Another thing I like about this website is the earnings calculation tool. Just scroll down to access it. As you can see, it's up to you to prioritize quantity or quality. Notice how the prices change based on the quality and length of the article. Look at that, $110 for writing a good 2,000-word article. To join for free, click this button and then choose the author option. With that said, I think you understand the concept. Find a YouTube video you like, watch it, and then spend some time turning it into an effective article. In my opinion, aim for quality to make the article stand out and capture the attention of the majority of readers. I know it's not exactly like watching YouTube videos and making money, but you've seen how simple it is to convert that YouTube video into something profitable. And actually, there are ways to make money by simply watching videos. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to cover them in future videos. However, with this method, you can make a lot of money as I just showed you. Again, I will keep you updated with the progress, and I'm up for the 100K subscribers challenge. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, where I will create a video showcasing the results of our methods that we introduced in our top 2 or 3 videos by the time we reach that milestone. Since making money by writing articles is one of the top methods we've discussed, I will demonstrate how it's possible to earn thousands of dollars by simply writing articles drawing from our own experiment. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.